What's up, guys, and welcome one more time to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day, even on the bear market, even with cryptocurrency 90% down. Crypto market is down 90%. Are you still bullish in the crypto market? Are you still bullish in cryptocurrency? What do you think? There's so many things happening at the moment in crypto, with Solana, Celsius, so many things going on that people are scared to death. So you, my friend, oh my God, OMG, as we say there. So cryptocurrency at 9%, and we say 90% because, guys, more than 72 top 100 coins are down 90%. That's how crazy it is. All right. So bear with us because we have a show to you today to encourage you to believe on the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Of course, nothing we say here is for you to take as financial advice. But me and Papa, we are money maximalists. We're not Bitcoin maximalists. We're not Hex maximalists. We're not any token maximalists. We are money maximalists. So we go and we think where we can make more money in crypto, because we are actually crypto maximalists. We love crypto. We believe crypto is the future of the financial system, and we want to be part of that. We want to be part of this amazing future within crypto. So if you believe on that as well, if you're watching this video now, if you're watching this video later, if you're watching now the live, because you are also indeed, you believe in crypto and in the power that crypto have a potentially to bring you some nice gains. So we are here because we love crypto and we believe in the market. And trust me, whoever survived now in this market, whoever stick to the strategies, not scared of what may not happen, is the people who will succeed eventually. Of course, you need to do your own research. You need to do your homework in order for you not to be swept by the 90% down crypto, not to be swept by scammers, because now, guys, it's a place where there is so much scammers swimming together with the whales and the traders. So if you make a mistake, you will get punished by being scammed, by being rugged for with NFTs, scam projects. And trust me, there is more scammers out there than legit projects. So that's where you need to do your homework by studying and investigating everything that you see. Well, good morning to Papa Legos. He's in Brazil, where it's morning now. Good afternoon for me because I am in Europe, and good evening and good morning for whoever are watching us now and wherever you are in the world. We know that there is people here from all corners of the world watching us. People from Korea, from Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Japan, Brazil, Spain, Mexico, United States, United Kingdom. There you guys, there is so many people from so many different places that watch our content here from all over Europe. So welcome. Thanks so much for watching us. But if it's your first time here and you're new to the channel, or worse, if you watch us again, you're coming back to watch us, but you do not subscribe, because 80% of our followers, yes, they watch us more than one time and they just forget to subscribe. So now it's your time. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the Bitch family. Follow us on Twitter, Papa BitBrother, Casquinha Crypto, and on Instagram, BitBrother _crypto. Follow us, send us messages, leave us message. Today I replied so many messages here on the channel. I deleted so many scam messages as well. Every time we put a video, there is so much scamming message. So do not, absolutely not, 100% not click in scams links on the comments, okay? People will leave comments, scam links on the comments. Do not click on them. Welcome to the show, and I am Casquinha Crypto.
Hey everybody, Papa BitBrother here with you once again. Like Casca said, throughout the good times and the bad times for everybody. And I hope you guys are actually, enjoying these crazy times, because to say the truth, guys, although money wise I'm down, but I have this kind of good feeling inside of me that this is the way. This everybody talks about the bear market as it is happening now. This is our first time on a fully bear market, like me and Casca. Yeah, as you know, we guys been into cryptocurrency for about 2 years, a bit more maybe, but we haven't seen something like this. And most people who are in crypto for many years saying this is one of the worst ever. Also because of the geopolitical stuff that's happening in the world. It's not just because of crypto, because everything that's happening in the world altogether made that happen. Okay, all the interest rates and all blah 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 blah. So we are in a crazy times. But again, we keep hearing from everybody that probably this is the best opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, so once again, check it out. Be consistent, checking what's going on, because the bottom, I believe the bottom is near, and you have to take opportunity of that. We have seen that, this week we've seen Bitcoin reaching about 17K at the moment, trading at 20,464, a 5% up. But we could see here, let's see on a 7-day, that we reach 17,772. Okay, that was not for long. Okay, but still we were there. We could see 7-day low 17,708. This is from coin market cap. Okay, guys, it might differ a little bit if you go to a different website. And 7-day high, it's a 23,000 7-day high. And then you can check from the 30-day high, 32,000. So we went 50% pretty much. That's insane. Like about 50% from the 30-day. Okay, from 90 days, we can see from 50. And this is 52 weeks anyway. This is from pretty much the all-time high there. 7 months ago, we had the all-time high of $68,000. All-time low 9 years ago, $65. But of course, we know it was much lower than that. This is from what they have here on the graphic. Okay, so is the bottom in or not? What do you think, guys? Do you think is it the best time ever to buy, or is still gonna crash a little bit more once again? Cass just posted something on his Twitter today saying that he believes we're gonna have a relief rally and then we're gonna have another crash. And I have some news for you guys about that. I think this is very, very important for all of us to keep an eye on it. Miles Dutcher wrote today, key liquidations to keep your eye on at the moment. Celsius, 23,962 wrapped Bitcoin at 13,600. Guys, 477 million could be liquidated. That's 24,000 Bitcoins at $13,000. So what does that mean? It means that if Bitcoin reaches $13,604, Celsius, the Celsius protocol will lose $500 million. That's what this means. Of course, they can put more collateral to bring this price down. So that's why, and what people saying, guys, is, I'm going to bring you the next news. That's crazy for me to think that. But a lot of people think that these big hedge fund companies, even exchanges, are trying to bring the price as low as this to liquidate Celsius. Guys, if they liquidate Celsius at 13,000, that means 24,000 Bitcoins will come into the market. Okay, and this probably will bring the price very, very low. Same thing happened to Sol. Okay, guys, so if you are a Sol investor, which I am and Casca is, we are so worried. When I saw this, I was like, oh man, that's crazy. That's why we keep an eye on it, because we saw this happening to Luna again. Sol Whale via Solend protocol, 5.7 million Solanas, guys. This is not in dollars, yeah. This is 24,000 wrapped Bitcoin, and this is 5.7 million Solanas. It's not $5.7 million. That means it's $160 million. So basically, again, what this means, if Solana reaches $22.30, this whale will lose $160 million, bringing the price of Solana really, really low and maybe even go to zero. Look at this. We are $35 now. So that means if we reach about 50%, 60% down from where we are now, guys, which is probable, not probable, but it could happen. Okay, so you have to keep an eye on it. Then your Solana could go to zero, like Luna went, which is sad to say this, but unfortunately, that's what we have to look. I'm in a position, guys, where I'm like, I trust so much the protocol and I believe so much in Solana that, you know, I don't think I'll be brave enough even to sell when it starts to go low, because of course my position is not big like many people has huge positions. But I think if you believe in the process, and then maybe you could have a like uh, not the loss, how they say, when you don't lose, you only lose when you sell it, right? But impermanent loss here, yeah, like where you have the coins, you didn't sell, but so that means you didn't lose. But let's say you bought $40, $100, and it goes to $10, liquidate all that, and then you sell it, and then you lose the money. But if you believe they can go back to $100, you just keep it. I know it's a hard and long road, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so anyway, so look what we're seeing here. Sources tell me that it's common knowledge within the crypto industry right now that Alameda, which is the FTX exchange, and SBF, which is the Sam Bankman-Fried, which is the owner of the Alameda, are 100% trying to push the Bitcoin price down right now to liquidate a number of market participants, including but not limited to Celsius, acquired on the chip. Okay, so for me, it was really hard to see that. I'm not sure. Again, guys, we say this. I follow Plan C. He's been really kind of good, bringing kind of good content. But I cannot confirm the veracity of this. I'm not sure if this is true. Okay, so but again, if he does that, he has enough money to try to liquidate, okay, Celsius. So how are we gonna do that? Base, if he gets all the Bitcoin that he has in his platform on the FTX exchange, he probably could, and he sell it, he probably could bring the price down to 13,000, and then he could liquidate Celsius and place buying orders to buy back at lower price. So this is crazy. You can see here the FTX spot, it's all on the red. That means they're selling, guys. Yeah, they're selling. Binance, the spot trade of Binance is on the red, and the FTX is on the red. So that means they are selling, which means they are the ones really kind of pushing the price down. Okay, again, I'm not sure how true this is, but it's concerning. It's very crazy. And then you check decrypt websites like this, of course, and then you don't know if this is paid advert or not. Celsius warns stabilizing liquidity will take time as lead investors propose recovery plan. So Celsius has a recovery plan, but we don't know if Sam Bankman-Fried will allow this, because look, and then I'm gonna show you. Sorry, it's gonna take a little. So Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX, has responsibility to step in and stem crypto contagion. So they did an article here putting him as a very good guy who helps the crypto system. Okay, guys, and then made me very concerned because Plan C also posted that this guy blocked him. Yeah, so Sam Bankman-Fried blocked him from his Twitter because he was talking about this. And then you can see here, where is it? He just posted today. Let's see, bro. Sam Bankman-Fried is not a white knight, even though he's trying to use his connections within the media to make you think so, like I said. And then I saw this article here, everybody talking of good things about him, saying that he can support people. And then you can see Plan C here exposing that. And straight after Sam Bankman-Fried blocked him from, look, he got blocked from him on Twitter. And then he put, I never tagged Sam, FTX, or Alameda once in any of my posts, but someone is not a fan of my recent findings. So he did not post anything about him, like he not tagged him, so he could know about that. And the guy anyway still blocked him. That's a bit concerning. Why would you block someone saying these things instead of like just talking to him? I don't know. So yeah, guys, this is the for me today. I'm just going to show you the last one. Fear and Greed Index today is at 9. It's a little bit higher than yesterday, but guys, 6 is one of the lowest ever. Let's see that where we are now on this. Look at this, guys. We had one here in 2019, which is like, this is 11, but this is lower. And then we are one of the lowest parts again here. Yeah, so we can see this was about August 2019. Previous to that was the 1st of February 2018, and we're 11, and we are reaching this low as well. So if we're gonna follow them nice and big investors, what they say is buy when people are in fear, sell when people are greedy. So following this concept, which is the big investors in the world that says that, it's probably time to buy. Okay, so guys, this is it from me today. Not
Yep.
financial advice. Do your own research, and thank you so much for being here in this hard time, guys.
And just remember, just to emphasize what Papa said there, just be careful and do your research. I still believe that trading is not, we are not on the right time for trading. I just would like to share very, very fast here the what Papa mentioned. Today I was on my Twitter and I did a drawing on my chart. Remember that I'm not a TA, of course, but you can see here. Let me open this bigger, like this. So as you can see here, I think because everything in crypto is speculation, that we will actually have this is a weekly chart, by the way. Okay, it's a weekly chart. So we might see a recover, but as I said here, we probably will see a fake recovery, then the real bear. But hey, I'm not a TA guy. I'm just a guy here on a crypto lover here on YouTube. What do you guys think that's gonna happen? Do you think that we'll still gonna see the bear market, like a proper drop in the bottom? What I see here is close to 14, 18, between 14 and 18,000. Well, I mean, we are 18,000 now, but we were 14,000 more or less for us still to go down. So I don't know, maybe we're still gonna go up, but I still think that we might have a small recovery. And if people, all the Bitcoin maximalists and all the people start to go, yeah, guys, let's go buy. It's gonna be amazing. Like going crazy, make people to FOMO in, so they can sell it when it reach that top of recovery, and then drop everything down, and then they can buy on the bot. So they're gonna probably be making money out of you. So you have to really be careful. I don't know if this is what's gonna happen. I still see Bitcoin and probably recovering after October. I don't know if that's what's gonna happen, but guys, be careful out there because things are not yet over. Post astronaut, how are you doing, brother? September is going to be interesting. Yes, definitely September going to be interesting. September might be true bottom. There will be blood. Yes, I still believe as well that we are not at the bottom yet. I still see there is, and I'll tell you why. There's a few things that I might see, like we might go even lower if something happened to Solana as it happened to Luna. If we see Solana, something major happen to Solana, guys, it will be crazy because not only fear, a lot of people will lose trust in crypto for the time being. I mean, Solana is a layer one. So hopefully, nothing will happen to Solana, because imagine two major layer one blockchain collapsing to zero after it's in the bear market. It's going to be a crazy ride now. I hope not. I hope it doesn't happen. Nothing to Solana. They recover this. Remember, that's what starts to bring everything down was Luna, USDT pegging, and then Luna going down, and then Celsius now. With Celsius now, a lot of people losing their trust. Remember, guys, but one thing you need to remember, and Richard Hart said that a lot, not your key nor your coins. You need to be careful. You need to, I have some money invested in exchange. It's okay as long as you know that if anything happened to that exchange, that's it. You have money invested in centralized app like Celsius and others, there is a small risk of you losing your money. As simple as that, unfortunately. And that's why we love the DeFi. Let's pray Tether won't collapse as well. Imagine if Tether collapse. So that's going to be, but which I always advise, try to put money on USDC and no USDT. I think USDC, and maybe share, not even everything USDC. Maybe share half in USDC or a third in USDC, a third in DAI, a third in BUSD. I mean, versified even on the stable coins, because things are a little bit bad in the market at the moment, especially with those major blockchain, in the edge of collapse. I mean, Solana might pose again. And guys, I like Solana. I think it's great. I think, but it's still it's a software, so of course we always have problems. That's why we need to be careful, and people don't understand that. Solana is still is in beta phase. I mean, Solana is not being here for 5-10 years, like Bitcoin, for example, which has been here for such a long, the first one. So of course, softwares will have problem, and they will have bugs. We saying this before here. How many times a month you need to update your apps on your phone? Because the software, they need to be updated constantly. So imagine with a new technology like blockchain and crypto. So I hope nothing major will happen to Solana, because that will be a bad thing for crypto in general. That's it. Crypto, no matter what people say, if people didn't like Luna, whatever happened to Luna was bad for crypto, for the crypto space. That's it. And if it happens to Solana, will be bad for the crypto space. And we are all in the crypto space, so it's going to be bad for us as well. Anyway, stay with us. On the way out, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family. And I hope you will be here with us, my friend, on the next bull run. Because trust me, the bull run will come. And we will be looking to each other and say, do you remember when Luna crashed? Do you remember when this happened? Do you remember? And we are still here. Guys, you have a good channel here. Keep going hard. Never give up. Thank you for all you do. Thank you. Thank you for following us. Thanks for being here. And we'll see you guys on the next video, or on the next live. Tomorrow, we're going to have a great week, guys. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Ciao!
Bye, guys.